Hey guys, I'm going to go through everything I have in its entirety for my 2023 fireworks show. This is everything I have all so far. I put up 5 different videos so you can go back and look at them and see where I bought what and when I got them. But I'll go through and show you everything I have so far. Not sure if I'm going to get any more, as I have quite a bit. But if I do, I will post an update 6, just so you know. I will start here. I have a whole case of Holy Nishikis. I shot 6 of these in a demo. I haven't put that demo up yet, but Kodo collection. I got 18 left of them. I have a whole case of the Anarchy 4-inch. I have a pack of the 6-inch Masters. I have a pack of the 7-inch Masters. I have a pack of the Raccoon Let Freedom Ring 5-inch. I'll go up here. I have 2 packs of the Dragon Artilleries. I have a Whoa Nelly by Nunya. I have 2 packs of the Horn Dogs. I have a 100-shot Slick Wheelie. Get on to this bad boy. I have a 1-1 Speed Freak by Nunya. I have 1 pack of Zombie Minion. I have 1 pack, or 1 case, not case, but 1, I guess 24 pack, whatever you want to call it, of the Anarchy 6-inch shells. 1 pack of the Zombie Returns. 1 pack of the Apocalypse. But on here, I have 2 packs of the 2-inch artillery rockets. I have 1 pack of the Welcome to the Jungle. And we'll get in a lot of the 500-gram cakes now. These are all my brothers. I have a Mason Dixon 20-shot. I have an old Ironside. That's 30-shot. Irish Legend is 30-shot. Current Events is 30-shot. And these are Raccoons. I have a 16-shot Iron Wolf. 12-shot The Most Glorious. And a 10-shot Huge White Strobe. This is another Raccoon. What a Splash 19-shot. And we'll go back to Brothers. Bamboozled 42-shot. A Light Brigade 42-shot. Hit the Road Jack is a 49-shot. Oldie but goodie. And Highfalutin Oldie but goodie 49-shot. I have 3 by Black Cat, 2-minute fireworks show, 36 shots. Back to Brothers, that is a 20-shot Temp Fate. Back to Black Cat, Terminator Target Acquired, 15-shot. That's a Brothers Galore 20-shot. Black Cat Future Wars 15-shot. Black Cat the Resistance 15-shot. These are more Black Cats. 15-shot The Freak. 15-shot Electric Avenue. 15-shot Frat Party. And 15-shot Fright Night. We had some window. Willow torpedo. 36 shot. Wet my whistle. I think that 36 shot. Storm chaser 36 shot. And Big Bang Beery 36 shot. I'll go down and catch this. I have a pack of fireball candles. They're 8 shots each. Going to 200 grammars. I have an Ultimate Warrior 16 shot. That is world class. Raccoons World Storm or Color Storm 19 shot. Big Color 9 shot. Courageous and Colorful Whirlwinds are both 12 shot. Wild Horses, I think that's 25. Colorful Skies, I think that's 25 shot. Christmas Eve is 15 shot. Viper Strike, I'll go back, I think that's 19. And Raging Willow, yeah, it's another 19, I think. I go with the brothers. We got a 25 shot Wild West, 36 shot Evil Enemy, Bling Bling, Oldie but Goodie, 36 shot. Back to Raccoon, a 16 shot Peace Out. Strobing Will, that is 25 shot. And we have a 17 shot Breakthrough by Raccoon. Super Stallion, Oliva Goodie, 16 shot. Magic Carpet, 25 shot. These are my brothers. 25 shot Magnificent Festival. A Wild Card, 49 shot. Red, White, and Blue Salute, 24 shot. A Mobile Menace, 35 shot. And a Silver Screen. It's hard to see. 35, I think. And we got some nice noise. Pitas. We got 3 16-shot pitas. Back to brothers. We got 12-shot Bazaar. And a 25-shot Magic or Match Magic. And we have Nunez Burnout, 16 shots, 4 of them. You know, a bag of crackers. They're Pyro Booms, or Pyro Bomb and Stingers, 12 each. Then we got a pack of cannolis. There's 18 in there. I let off a couple the other night. We have 2 packs of Crazy Kobe's. We have 1 pack of the Neon Viper. And 1 pack of the Aliens. I'm going to do a demo with all of them shortly. See which ones are the best. And we'll go into the fountains. I got an Ocean Theater. That's a pretty cool kids fountain type thing. It does a lot of dancing and type stuff. We got Ballerina's Ball. It is a really good oldie but goodie. This was new last year. I got by Winda. It's a puppy fountain. A koi pond by Winda. And these are brothers. We got a keg party, a Crackadola, Ecstasy, Highballing, Hurly Burly, Totally Circus, and Booby Trap. And then not but least, we have a Night Saber, fountain type, I don't know what you want to call it. It's kind of like a fountain. It's better than just a sparkler. But alright, that is everything in its entirety as of right now. If I do add more, I might get some more like 1-1s special cakes. If I do, I will put it in update number 6 for you. Like, share, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you.